Hi guys, welcome back. Introducing the blue butterfly journal that I've just completed. She is gorgeous. She's full of hand-dyed papers, specialty papers. I've used a digital kit from Etsy from Porchswingdesigns in the Felicity journal kit and add-on. And she is full of laces and fabrics. She is 6 inches by 9 inches. She has a 2-inch spine. She's got 3 signatures, which are these bundles of papers. 116 pages for you to journal on and to fill up with all of your memories. She's got a ton of laces and trims, and she's absolutely gorgeous. And I sure hope that you enjoy this flip through.